My name is Freddie James, and I came to I4 IT Solutions and CAD Masters looking to change my career from graphic design to AutoCAD because of layoffs. And one of the things that I was looking for in the school is the school is going to provide me with good training and be able to leave here with certification of proof of that training. And that's what these guys did for me. The instructors were perfect, very knowledgeable and patient, and they worked with me as well as my classmates in getting what we needed, the knowledge that we needed to have. Class size, in the 6-week program that I went through, there was no more than six people in the class, and at one time we had 6 people and 2 teachers. So there was definitely time for the teachers to kind of handle us with kid gloves and really push us in the direction that we needed to go. The school itself, clean, computers were totally up to date. We had no issues as far as things breaking down on us or missing teachers or anything like that. So everything was perfect, and everything worked out good. So went through our 6-week program, and in being here and getting the instructions, we also developed some friendships and with these people, and they the teachers were very open to hey, here's my number, give me a call if you ever come into any issues or problems or you have any questions. And so the instruction went beyond 6 weeks. So we're very pleased with making the decision to come here to I4 IT Solutions and CAD Masters. And I would highly recommend that if it's something that you're interested in doing and learning AutoCAD, to come to the school and at least visit the school and see what's happening.
Hello, my name is Jeff. I've just graduated from I4 IT Solutions for Security Analysis and HR, and I want to compliment my instructor Khalid. He's given me a wonderful opportunity to go forward in a new career, and I believe that through this learning SAP that will give me the opportunities to seek the career direction I would like to go. The training was clear, understanding, hard work, but worthwhile. And I believe it'll give me what I need to be successful and to go in a good direction.
Hi, my name is Vishal Sikand. I started this course, SAP Security and HR, about 7 weeks ago. I think it was the end of June we started this course, and we just got done a week ago. A lot of fun, more fun than anything else. Great instructor, great classroom setting, great colleagues and great other students. They're very helpful. Great environment to learn, very important. That's very important. The first half of the class was HR, and the second half of the class was security. I decided to take this course because I knew a lot of people in this field, SAP, and they recommended that it's better I get my foot in at such a young age because it'll give me an advantage over a lot of other people who are older and have families and stuff. So I decided to take this course. I feel like it puts me in the top 10-15% of the working workforce in the U.S. and even the world with this knowledge, and I hope to get out there and make Khalid proud, make my instructor proud, and help companies make better decisions and help them make more money, basically. My goal after this is to hopefully get a job at a consultancy firm because consultant companies like to send people out, and the younger the person, the better for them. So hopefully I'm looking at something like that. And great class. Not too hard if you practice and if you pay attention. If you really want to do this, then it's not so hard. And the instructors are always willing to help. Students are always willing to help you. So it's not really it shouldn't be a problem. About understanding shouldn't be a problem. And that's about it. Thank you.
Travel, go around the world, nationwide, you can definitely do that. That's one of the reasons why, the reasons that attracted me to this program. And yes, I would recommend this training to any and everybody who loves IT, wants to try something new, wants to try out new software. This is definitely the avenue that you would want to go in. This software does so many things. It can take you anywhere that you want to go, and I definitely recommend that you.
So what you've seen me do today here, I've learned all of this at the I for IT Solutions Institute in Walnut Creek, and I'm looking forward to taking the skills I've learned and applying them in the job market. I am currently looking for employment and excited about getting into this field utilizing SAP and the HR function.
Hi, my name is Doris, and I have over 30 years in the telecommunications industry. The reason why I decided to go into SAP training was to go into a different field that I have not done before, yet it's not far away from the databases I used at the telecommunications industry. I love the school. I love the location. The training so far has been great. I've learned a lot of new things. The instructor knows SAP inside and out. Ask him any questions anytime. I recommend the class to anyone who's looking for something different to do. I'm hoping that this will be a whole new.
My name is Gregory Cantrell, and I wanted to talk to you about my experience at Tucolit, SAP Business Analyst Training. I've now concluded my 5th week in all the various modules in the HR component, and I feel very confident that I can go into a business and look at their enterprise system and make some recommendations of how they could better expand their business. Now, one of the things that I've been able to do in this class is gain some knowledge about the technical side of how business works. I've spent the last 20 years in doing business consulting as an entrepreneur, and so I understand business well, but now I'm able to take my lifetime learning and convert and gain with these new skills in the area of technology and look at how enterprise systems can work within the framework of business processes. One of the things that I learned is kind of in detail of how these business processes work. And through the modules, what we were able to do is gain a real understanding of how technology then can make things very efficient for the end users of the system. SAP has demonstrated that they are a leader in the industry, that they can provide user-friendly type of software programs, and it's a very valuable tool. Some experience that I've had and some, I guess, some skills that I've gained recently that I've never had before, I can take them and apply them into a totally new career as a business analyst. I really appreciate the times I've spent here and the teaching that I got and the skills that I'm able to learn. And they are certified skills, and they'll make me more marketable. Make me more marketable.
Hi, I'm Marlene Kinley, and I started this SAP HR course 6 weeks ago. Extremely challenging, a lot of work, but very, very gratifying.
Hi, and I'm Bob Forcan, and I started this class a little bit before Marlene, and I found it actually somewhat rewarding because of my previous experience in SAP.
So my background is primarily HR, specifically in recruiting, and the area that I needed additional training on was applicant tracking system and HRIS. This course provided the tools and the resources necessary to sort of round out that skill set.
I am a former Chevron employee, and my work at Chevron included payroll and procurement, and most of the functions at Chevron, especially the ones that I did, were in SAP. They were all performed in SAP, and now with this training, I can see how the information that I was putting into the system, how it was gathered, and how I was able to go into certain parts of the SAP system to fulfill my requirements for each part of my job. Having now taken this class, I really feel that I can actually perform at a higher level at Chevron and set up these SAP for other employees at Chevron so that they can benefit from my experience.
So in deciding to take this course, I looked at a number of options, and what I enjoyed about this program over others was obviously the proximity to where I live in the Bay Area. But when I got to the class, I found that the size of the class was conducive to my learning style, and I think that I got a chance to work alongside in the classroom with individuals that had been in IT, people that had been in SAP, as Bob mentioned, and it gave me an overview beyond what I thought I would get out of this course. And the classes are designed in such a way that it's almost like one-on-one. We work together as teammates in the classroom. We can ask questions. There's a lot of flexibility because of the class size. And of course, our instructor has extensive SAP experience and has a wealth of knowledge. So again, if you're considering extending your experience in IT or HR, this would be an excellent resource for you.
Well, I have to agree with Marlene. The training that you get here is almost like one-on-one. There's lots of interaction with the instructor, who is very knowledgeable, and I'm saying that honestly because obviously when you work for a big company like Chevron, you're required to take a lot of different training classes and so on and so forth, and you don't always get the desired training that you would like because of the instructor or the way it's taught. But here I found that it's been really good. I've had no problems learning. I've had no problems with picking up on all the different intricacies of SAP, and having interaction with my classmates, as it were, and has really helped as well because we were able to discuss the things that we're doing openly, and it really helps learning the processes.
So as we finish this 6-week program, I'm really interested in what the next chapter will look like. I know there will be opportunities beyond where obviously I started, and I look forward to it, and I look forward to hearing about where my classmates have ended up as well. So again, it's a great program, and one in which if you've got a desire to take your IT or your HR experience to the next level, I think you should consider this.